Hello everyone, I am Vishal Kumar, Technical Engineer at Samco Infotech. Today I am going to demonstrate you 110 volt 100 ampere BCDS battery discharging system. So this machine required single phase power connection. This is on off switch button. This is for discharging and this two are the connection with the batteries. This is for B sensing voltage and this is for USB for data extract and SD card for data extract. This is the main setup, test template. This is the setup for manually discharging, test template, data management for extracting the data and system management. Test data, click discharge, and here we set the room 1, string number 1, cell numbers. We have a 16 series cell, so we set a 16. Nominal cap 100 Ah, constant current for discharging method, and discharging current is 30 amps. We can set here as per our requirement. We can also set this for 16, 24S, 32S. This is a cell type, so we have a 3.2 volt. We can also set here for 2 volt, 6 volt. Okay, from positive, so positive to negative. This is the minimum voltage of the battery. This could be the 0. So let's start. Now parameters is all set. Now we put OK, yes. Now the discharging is start. So here you can see the ampere current is going upward, 2.4. So the discharging current is going upward as per your battery. So this was all about this machine, 110 100 ampere BCDS battery discharging system. You can also visit our head office, Delhi and Bangalore for live demo. Thank you so much for watching this video.